Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your email address in Slack to ensure your account stays secure and you never miss an important notification. Step 1. Open Workspace settings via Admin Tools. In the 2026 Slack layout, the fastest way to access your core account and workspace controls is through the dedicated Admin Hub in your sidebar. Click the Admin gear icon in the left-hand sidebar. From the menu that appears, select Workspace Settings. This will open the Settings and Administration page in your web browser. This dashboard is the central hub for managing your personal account details, as well as the overarching rules for your entire workspace. Once you're on the browser page, you'll see your current email address listed under the Settings tab. Find the Email Address section and click the Expand button on the right. Enter your current password and then type in your new email address. Slack requires your password here as a security measure to prevent unauthorized changes. Double-check your new email for typos. Once you're sure it's correct, click Update Email. You'll see a notice that a confirmation link has been sent to your new inbox. Step 3. Confirm and verify the change. Your email address won't actually change until you verify that you own the new one. Open your new email account and look for a message from Slack with the subject Confirm Your New Email Address. Click the Confirm Your New Email Address button inside. Clicking this link will take you back to Slack. Important note, if Slack asks you to sign in to complete the process, you must use your old email one last time. Once signed in, the change becomes official and all future Slack pings and login codes will go to your new address. If the toggle or expand button isn't available, your workspace might be using single sign-on via Google or Okta. In this case, you may need to update your email through your company's IT portal or contact an admin for help. And that's pretty much it. To change your email in 2026, click your profile picture, go to Account Settings, and click Expand next to your email in the browser window. Enter your password and new email, then click the confirmation link in your new inbox to finalize the switch. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.